Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a straight through and crossover Ethernet cable. So before we can start, please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start. All we need to do is to gather our all materials and tools to be used. The RJ45 cable, crimping tool, and the last is our LAN tester. First, we make a straight through cable. So, cut the coat at least 1.5 inch both side. So, let's cut it. Be careful to cut because the wire was so easily to scratch. Then, if you scratch it, it will never be work. This side, next side. So we're done. So the second is let's separate the it by color. Orange, blue, green. So here, separate the by its color. Then the next side. Well done. So I'm gonna show you the color coding of the straight through Ethernet cable. So here, if you get the color coding, so we put inside on the RJ45. Okay, let's crimp it by using the crimping tool. Okay, so the same are do. So crimp it again by using the crimping tools. Okay, so we finished the straight through Ethernet cable. So guys, let's test our straight through Ethernet cable. So let's put it in our LAN tester. One, then test it. So next, we're gonna make a crossover Ethernet cable. This is the same way to make a straight through cable, but the difference is the color coding. So I'm gonna show you the color coding of the crossover Ethernet cable. After you get the color coding, so we put inside the RJ45 like the same way we do on the straight through cable. Crimp it again by using the crimping tools. Okay. So right now, we have to test our crossover Ethernet cable. So let's put it again in our LAN tester. And switch it on. So that's all for it. Thank you for watching my video.